The Laser Periodontal course with Dr. Gerry Ross covers the history of lasers, laser mechanism, physics, as well as laser safety. We will discuss soft tissue lasers, hard tissue lasers, as well as low-level lasers. You will learn how to reduce pain after surgery and extractions, treat TMD and facial pain without using pharmaceuticals. Learn surgical procedures, first by lecture and then hands-on. Earn 6 CE credits or 6 hours for registered dental hygienists. This in-person course will be held on February 12, 2022 from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Smiles First Academy in Richmond Hill. Visit our website at www.smilesfirstacademy.com to register or give us a call at 877-270-3077 extension 334.